Guys, welcome on my new YouTube channel GH-Automotive Online, where I will show you in future a lot of interesting products about motorsport, racing and tuning. And the first product on this day is the racing dashboard from SincoTech, the version DO922, with a 6.5 inch display with 7 different colors. And I think we start with the unboxing video. Have fun! Hey guys, welcome to my new unboxing video from the SincoTech DO922 racing dashboard with a 6.5 inch screen size and a 7 different color display. We can change the color to the color we want. We have the Bluetooth connection wireless via the DPU and the dashboard. It's very cool and very fast. We can place dashboard on any place in my car I want. On backside we have the CE sign. I think it's very important for the German market that the product is good quality. Inside this package we have on the right side the package for my DPU and my dashboard, and on the left side the wires and the sensors for my system. I will begin with this side. This is the important side, I think. We have the heart of the whole system, the DPU. In the DPU we connect on the behind side all the sensors we find in the other package. We have different colors. We have a mechanic coding from the plugs. We can't change any plugs. Every plug has his own place and normally we can do nothing wrong. It's very easy to install the DPU. When we have done mistakes, we have on the front side of the DPU a LED sign with blue and yellow and red LEDs, and this is the sign for me. Okay, the DPU is working, we have power on the DPU, the sensors are yes, plugged in, and we have a Bluetooth communication between the DPU and my dashboard. Okay, my favorite device. We have inside this the dashboard. The dashboard has a really good quality. It's very good material. We have on the behind side the connection for my mounting kit. The mounting kit is in the other package. We can plug with a Saugnopf this dashboard to my window and can positioning the dashboard on any place in the car we want and have a good mounting. The dashboard has 1 and 2 power plug-ins. We can use the right side or the left side to plug in my power between 9 and 12 volt DC. And yes, I think it's really cool to plug in right or left side in the place in the car I'm mounting my kit. Yes, it's different. On the right side and left side we have 2 switches to navigate in the menu and change the colors from display, calibrate sensors, but more about this in the next video. We have 4 LEDs on each side, the green, yellow and red LED. We can set the values when the LEDs go on. That means we have 4,000 rotations per minute from my engine. I will have the green light. The yellow light goes on about 5,000 rotations per minute, and the red light it will say shift to the next gear and will go on at 6,500 rotation per minute, and the ref limiter, and it makes a flashing, and that means okay, you must shift to the next gear. It's really cool. It's a very cool thing. Okay, in the second part we have the wires and the sensors. We have 2 introduction manuals, one's in Chinese and one's in English. In future we will have a German introduction manual, but for the Chinese and the English market we have also these two introduction manuals. We have a wiring diagram inside that says which sensor must plug into which port to have the right function from my system. It's very easily to connect these plugs in the DPU. You can't do anything wrong. It's very easily to connect. I don't have problems with it, and it's a real cool thing. Okay, we have these two lines, these two wires to connect the power to my dashboard. We can use this 12-volt plug for my cigarette plug, or we can say, okay, we will have the mounting, but the DPU in my car. For every time I can do this cable with this and this open end, and can install it on my car for the future, and this is for a mobile use from my dashboard. Okay, we have this pipe, this line for my boost pressure sensor to install it to the boost pressure. Yes, it's all in the package we need to install. We have these two filters to have no oil air in my boost pressure line. We have this one to connect the boost pressure pipe, the boost pressure line into my car and the engine. We have these two sensors, the one for a coolant temperature, my water temperature, and this one for the oil temperature. It's a NTC, a negative temperature coefficient. It's the function of the sensor. We have two of this and can connect it to the DPU. These two sensors are new in this package. On the old version, the DO924, we have a boost pressure sensor with no metal, and this one is aluminium or metal. It's a very good quality one for oil pressure and this one for boost pressure. The lines for boost pressure and oil pressure sensor. Okay, this one is the wiring package for the other sensors we have in the package, and you see we have 2 ports, 3 ports, 4 ports. You can't do anything wrong. The plugs are connected to the right port on the DPU. We have different colors. You can't make anything wrong. It's very easy to install. Okay, the last sensor package is the exhaust gas sensor temperature. We have a metal line to have no temperature on my wiring to get damaged. It's a really good quality. We have this mounting kit to the exhaust pipe. We can change this, and when we make this moment, we can fix the sensor to the exhaust gas pipe and have a good mounting of this exhaust gas temperature sensor. Okay, this is the mounting kit, I say, to connect the dashboard to the window, to the front window, or to other places in the car. We can fix it with this one. We have a very good connection. It's very strong. It's really cool to connect my dashboard in the car or on the window. Okay, the last thing is this one. It's a mounting plate for the DPU. We can do the screws in this one and can connect it to the car. It's all we need in this package, and I think it's really cool to have this dashboard in the car. Okay, in the next video I will show you the menu from the dashboard, to navigate in the dashboard, to change colors, to configuring the sensors in the car.